Ready?
Yep.
Sure. Okay, so recently I got this message from one of my friends. Wait, let me show you. And honestly, I did not have an answer. Like, what is happening?
A global layoff wave. Unemployment. The unemployment.
The unemployment.
उत्तर प्रदेश भारत का सबसे बड़ा बेरोजगार युवाओं का राज्य बन चुका है।
Someone is a graduate and उसको still job नहीं मिल रहा है. So why are Indians not getting jobs?
बहुत ही ज़्यादा मुश्किल है. देखा जाए तो आजकल के दौर में हम लोग ग्रेजुएशन करने के बाद इधर उधर भटकते रहते हैं पर कहीं जॉब नहीं मिलती है.
So I opened the internet to find the answers and let me show you what I got. In 2024, only 57% of the graduates had a job. इसका मतलब out of every 100 graduates, only 43 को jobs मिल रहा है and rest को नहीं मिल रहा है. But isn't it simple? We just need more jobs so that everyone has a job. Unemployment solved. No, it is not that simple. Now let us look at how the number of jobs have changed over time. If you look at this graph, the number of jobs have been increasing over time. चलो, we can ignore the dip जो कोरोना के टाइम पे आया था, but apart from that, the numbers have been increasing.
कोरोना के टाइम पे मेरे हस्बैंड की जॉब चली गई.
स्कूल की बकायदा फीस जाती है, ट्यूशन फीस जाती है ऑनलाइन. तो आपको पता ही है कितने खर्चे होते हैं. जो इससे थोड़ी बहुत कमाई होती है उससे हमारा घर का खर्चा चलता है.
So I'm getting all these questions in my mind. If the number of jobs are increasing, if the skills of people are increasing over time, so where is the problem? Why is there unemployment? And this is exactly where I stumble across something called as jobless growth. By definition, it simply means that the rate at which the jobs are being created is much lesser than the rate at which the labor force is expanding, as in a mismatch in demand and supply. But if you're like me, you might not like the definitions. So let us do something different in that case. Okay, yellow chocolates. See, I just bought this chocolate for 10 rupees. Assume that these two guys are the companies, the chocolates are the employees, and the prices, they are the salaries. Okay, let's go. रुको. मैं दे नहीं रही हूँ, मैं बेच रही हूँ. चलो, वापस करो. ये लो.
एक ही. मैं 10 का 15 दूंगा. मैं 20 दूंगा. 25. मेरा 30 लगा दो.
See, when the number of chocolates are less, they both are fighting over it. This is what exactly happens when the number of people with higher skills are less in number and the companies need them. So that is when salaries also go up.
ले लो.
रुको. झगड़ा मत करो. ये लो और एक.
अच्छा 2 है तो फिर मैं 10 की. एक तो रेट मेरा.
But in certain time, the demand and the supply comes to the equilibrium, and what happens is the salaries settle down at their original prices. अच्छा सुनो, वो तो ले लिया, ठीक है. अब ये इसमें से भी ले लो अगर लेना है तो. Now let us see what happens when the number of chocolates are more.
वैसे मैं डाइटिंग पे हूँ पर 3 काफी. 2 मेरा भी हो जाएगा.
तो
5 पे दूंगा.
तो बाकी का क्या करें? What is the worst that can happen with the chocolate? पड़ा रहेगा शेल्फ में जब तक कोई उसे खरीद नहीं लेता, right? But what about humans? Stretches of unemployment or even job insecurity can have huge mental and psychological effects. Humans cannot be treated as commodities. We have a lot of other nuances, like हमारे families होते हैं. We have job preferences, different skill sets and different locational preferences. So this is a whole new topic on why humans are not chocolates. Okay, now coming back to unemployment, what is particularly happening in India? In 2020, out of 10, only 5 got a job. But in 2025, out of 20 people, 6 got a job. So the total number of jobs increased from 5 to 6. But अब ये भी तो देखो कि the number of graduates or the number of applicants who need a job have increased drastically. And this increase is much more than the number of jobs that have increased. And this is the concept of jobless growth. The GDP of India is increasing, but that is not benefiting the people. And the worst happens when countries are not able to utilize their most effective resource, the human resource.
Think about this. In Gujarat's Palanpur over the weekend, over 6,000 youth showed up for over a few hundred posts.
And all of this not just affects people that don't have a job, but this also affects people like you and me who already have a job. Let us understand how this happens. What will happen when people don't have jobs? they won't buy things, right? Except maybe a few basic items. If they don't buy things, companies can't sell more things, so they lose their profits. If companies don't make money, what will they do? Lay off employees. Yes, you and me who already have jobs might also lose it. And what happens when more people lose jobs? Yes, you're right. The cycle keeps on going. Now the most important question, how do we break out of this cycle? Honestly, individuals like me and you might not be able to do much to break this cycle, but we can definitely do certain things so that we don't get stuck in it. We'll be discussing about this a little later. Meanwhile, let us look at how the Indian government has tackled this.
Chinese health authorities are still working to identify the virus behind a pneumonia outbreak in the central city of Wuhan.
During COVID-19, there were huge layoffs, but the government provided some relief by giving MSMEs some loans, tax exemptions, EPF subsidies, and also by providing informal circulars wherein the government requested companies not to lay off employees. But that was during a pandemic. So in general, when this situation happens, the government usually makes changes in the interest rates. So this is a separate topic. We have already made a video about inflation. आपने देखा नहीं है ना? पहले जाके वो देख लो. And yeah, coming back to the topic. Okay, now the government has the power to bring in companies that will match the skill sets of the already existing people in the country. Now, honestly speaking, with the increasing startup ecosystem and the growing number of startups, I honestly feel कि coming years में there will be a decrease in the unemployment rates. दे तो मना किया था तुम लोग ये चॉकलेट वॉकलेट मत रखा करो यार. खुल क्यों नहीं रहा है? At Next Magazine, we have recently once again opened 10 new slots for businesses and founders. And we'll help them create organic content. So we just have very limited, only 10 slots. So go now and apply. Link is in the description. Okay, now coming back to the topic, during these tense situations, there are certain things that I will keep in mind as an individual. First, I will try to upskill in my own field. Then alongside that, I will try to search for new markets and emerging opportunities that will match my interests and maybe my skill levels. There's another way which honestly I'm not a big fan of, but no judgments of course. Moving to a separate country that already has a demand for the skills which I have. Because what I feel like is अपने country में रहना and अपने country के economy में contribute करना is much better. Economies are made up of people's emotions. Behind every stat, there is a story and a real person. We tell our kids to study harder and get good skills. But what if ये सब कुछ करने के बाद भी they don't get a job? A decent job that matches their skills. When I got my friend's text, I did not have an answer. And honestly, I still don't have an answer. But